thanks for joining me today. It's Shrove Tuesday, so that means that everybody is going to be having pancakes for supper tonight. So I thought it would be the perfect time for me to try my waffle maker. So I got a simple pancake recipe from a friend that I'm going to try, and I decided to make it a little special by basically making them apple jacks. I'm going to throw some little pieces of apple and some epicure apple pie spice in the mix to see what they come out like. So I have all my ingredients here. The first thing is 2 cups of flour. The next thing is 2 tablespoons of baking soda. The next thing is 1/3 cup of melted butter. The next thing is basically in here I have 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a 1/2 tablespoon of the apple pie spice. Then it said 2 eggs, so we're just going to crack those. Okay. Then it said 2 cups of milk. So we are going to measure the milk. Okay, and then the final thing that we are going to add, of course, are some little pieces of apple, but I'm going to do that after I have given this a really good thorough stir and have it into kind of a batter. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this all mixed. And as you can see, it's definitely now a batter. So I'm going to go ahead and add the apple. So I have now got a delicious smelling batter going on. So I'm really excited to see this turned into waffles here in a couple moments. So basically what you're going to do is this is going to be poured. So this is how I prepared the mold. Basically I've just greased it and put it on a pan. And I've been warming my oven. And so I'm just going to pour this into those, put it in the oven at about 425 for 10 to 15 minutes, keeping an eye on them. And hopefully when I'm done, I'm going to have 6 really yummy waffles. So this is what they look like coming out of the oven. And all I had to do was flip it over and they all fell right out. As you see here, I simply cut them, and now I have 6 yummy waffles. I'll be having 2 tonight for Shrove Tuesday. Thanks for watching, and if you like my videos, please do me a favor and like and subscribe.